Hi everyone. For this practice problem, we want to solve the initial value problem given here. So an initial value problem just means that we're finding the antiderivative, the general antiderivative, and then we're using this piece of information on the end here to figure out what c is. So let's start with the derivative that we're given. And I also want to show you some notation here. So I have dy dx equal to this. I can multiply both sides by that dx and put it on the end here, and now I can take the integral of both sides. The integral of dy is going to be y, and then I'm trying to figure out the integral of this piece here. So I'm going to bring that 4 out in front, and I have the integral of cosine of x minus 1 dx. So remember that the derivative of sine is cosine, which means that the integral of cosine is going to be sine. I also want you to see that the argument within cosine, the derivative of x minus 1 is just 1. So if we were to use the chain rule, we are multiplying by 1. So I can then say that this integral is going to be sine of x minus 1, and then I have plus c on the end. So now I'm going to use the information that y of 1 equals 6 to figure out the c. So this means that y equals 6 and x equals 1. Well, 1 minus 1 is 0. And we know that sine of 0 is 0. So this is 4 times 0 plus c, which means that your c is equal to 6. And therefore the answer is y equal to 4 sine of x minus 1 plus 6.